We often think that those who earn more can live better. But here's a truth many overlook: money alone can't guarantee well being. You could have a high income and still live in a polluted city, lack access to clean water, or struggle to find a good school for your child. This is where public facilities come in, services that everyone can access regardless of income. They form the backbone of real development. Take Kerala and Haryana again. Kerala has a lower per capita income, but a much lower infant mortality rate, higher literacy and school attendance, better access to healthcare and clean water. Why? Because Kerala has invested in strong public systems that serve the entire population, not just the wealthy. Public facilities include schools, hospitals and health centers, public transport, safe drinking water, sanitation systems, electricity and waste disposal. These are either provided free of cost or at a subsidized rate funded by taxes. They are essential for a dignified life, especially for those who can't afford private alternatives. Some things are best provided collectively. Think about it. Would it be cheaper for every household to hire private security or for the community to have a shared police service? Can every family build a personal school or hospital? No, it's more efficient when the government provides these services for all. Public facilities promote equality, affordability, and accessibility. In many regions, people, especially rural girls, still lack access to high schools. Others travel miles for basic health care or depend on unclean water sources. Without public facilities, illness increases, literacy drops, inequality widens. This shows why development isn't real unless it reaches everyone, not just the privileged. Let's recap. Public facilities are vital for real development. Income means little if basic services are inaccessible. Kerala's progress shows how public investment pays off. Collective provision is more efficient and inclusive. True development demands shared resources and equal access. In our next segment, we'll examine how public services are factored into broader global comparisons through the Human Development Report. Stay tuned.